Hello friends, today we will know about 50 types of chocolates. Dark chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, white chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, bittersweet chocolate, bittersweet chocolate, unsweetened chocolate, unsweetened chocolate, ruby chocolate, ruby chocolate, couverture chocolate, couverture chocolate, Gianduja chocolate, Gianduja chocolate, caramel chocolate, caramel chocolate, hazelnut chocolate, hazelnut chocolate, almond chocolate, almond chocolate, pistachio chocolate, pistachio chocolate, mint chocolate, mint chocolate, orange chocolate, orange chocolate, raspberry chocolate, raspberry chocolate, strawberry chocolate, strawberry chocolate, coconut chocolate, coconut chocolate, espresso chocolate, espresso chocolate, chai chocolate, chai chocolate, chili chocolate, chili chocolate, lavender chocolate, lavender chocolate, sea salt chocolate, sea salt chocolate, honey chocolate, honey chocolate, maple chocolate, maple chocolate, cinnamon chocolate, cinnamon chocolate, ginger chocolate, ginger chocolate, matcha chocolate, matcha chocolate, bourbon chocolate, bourbon chocolate, champagne chocolate, champagne chocolate, peppermint chocolate, peppermint chocolate, toffee chocolate, toffee chocolate, peanut butter chocolate, peanut butter chocolate, bacon chocolate, bacon chocolate, cardamom chocolate, cardamom chocolate, blueberry chocolate, blueberry chocolate, cranberry chocolate, cranberry chocolate, pomegranate chocolate, pomegranate chocolate, rose chocolate, rose chocolate, marzipan chocolate, marzipan chocolate, cherry chocolate, cherry chocolate, banana chocolate, banana chocolate, pistachio rose chocolate, pistachio rose chocolate, saffron chocolate, saffron chocolate, lemon chocolate, lemon chocolate, passion fruit chocolate, passion fruit chocolate, guava chocolate, guava chocolate, coconut lime chocolate, coconut lime chocolate. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe for new videos.